Here's your October product of the month from the gardening sector at QVC, and it is a Christmas kit that you build yourself at home. It's really easy to put together. You get this decorative container with the Hessian bow. We're going to fill that up with a little bit of soil and then plant in our Christmas plants, which will keep blooming through those colder months of the year, and indoors on a cool windowsill, they'll keep blooming up until the end of January. So a little bit of compost in the bottom there. Then we're going to plant in our components. So first of all, we've got this euonymus, really easy to grow shrub. You've perhaps seen it in parks and gardens, really easy. And when your Christmas display is finished, you can plant this outside too. Next up, we've got a lovely white primrose, which we're going to put just at the front here. So just enough space for these plants in this container here, finishing off with a cyclamen. So we're going to drop that cyclamen into the side of our container here. Now, we're going to make sure that we fill all of those gaps. So I've made this paper cone, which you can use to put your compost into all of those little spots. So you're often thinking, how do we get compost into those areas? The answer is you feed it down through the compost cone. So do that all the way along, and you will then fill in all of those little gaps. So once we've finished off, we've then got our decal to go onto the front. Pop that in however you wish, however you like to make your design, and then you're good to go. This is your Christmas display that's going to last for weeks, if not months, and it's available from QVC throughout October.